What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Nissan Armada remote key fob. This Nissan Armada key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a smaller flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the fob that my thumb's on, and the key will pull out like that. We can just set that to the side. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and we take a look at the bottom of it, I'm going to come in here and get my screwdriver in between this black and silver plastic piece right here. You can also see there's a little bit of an arrow right there, and that's what that's pointing to. So I'm going to get my screwdriver in that little space like that, and then I'm just going to twist like I'm opening a lock with the key. Come over to this side and do the exact same thing. Get my screwdriver in between that black and silver plastic, then just twist. And then after it's started, you can go ahead and pull the key fob the rest of the way apart with your hands like that. In the back half of the case, we see our battery right here. I'm going to use my screwdriver just to get under the edge of it and get it out of that little holder. Then I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down, positive side down. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first that's down here near this metal battery clip. So tuck that edge in first like that, and then snap the battery down into place. Then if your circuit board has moved around at all, make sure it's sitting down in that clear rubber piece. Everything's in line like that. Then we can snap the two halves back together, slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.